Protein, protein, protein. Most vegans loathe the protein question, although it is fair. It can be difficult to build strong, healthy muscles without enough protein in your diet, and a lot of people have an image in their minds of vegans being sickly and feeble because they are simply lacking in the nutrients that are abundant in a diet that includes meat and meat byproducts. Fortunately, there are many sources of protein that are not necessarily meat-based, and as a vegan, it is important to know what they are. Some of these foods may end up being an acquired taste, but they do the trick nonetheless. One popular protein choice for vegans is seitan. Seitan is certainly filling and is made primarily of wheat gluten. You can make it for yourself or buy it pre-made and flavored. Both options are good and can create very hearty meals that are similar to the kinds of meals you have with animals on the plate, minus the cruelty. Tofu and other soy products contain protein as well. While many people do not like the taste of tofu, others find that soy products can be very similar to the foods they are missing when they are prepared well and flavored properly. Tofu is like a blank canvas, and when given the proper treatment, it can emulate several different types of dishes. This is what makes it a very popular choice for meat substitutes. Eventually, you may find that you get used to the flavor of soy products and that you hardly miss meat at all. Another source of protein that many people overlook is plant proteins. Plant proteins can be found in many vegetables, including but not limited to leafy greens, edamame, and green peas. Getting a lot of these foods in your diet can be incredibly beneficial for any vegan. Significant sources of protein include beans and lentils, chickpeas, hemp seeds, and several other grains as well. Spirulina can also contain nutrients that are crucial for vegans, including protein. Spirulina is from the sea and is made of seaweed concentrated often into a powder. This can make a great addition to morning shakes and smoothies. Tempeh is another good source of protein and a good, filling option for those who want to live on a cruelty-free plant-based diet. While the taste may be unique at first, it can be a great substitute for those hearty foods that you may begin to miss when going on a plant-based diet. There are all kinds of sources of protein for any vegan who wants to look for them. It can be very important to include this essential nutrient into your diet, but if you're doing well at keeping up on your nutrition and including these sources of protein in with the foods you eat on a daily basis, then you should have no issue in gaining muscle and maintaining proper health.